ahead, go. You can see it going inside, yes? I'll teach you how to do this. Easy and pretty much self-working.
Where did it go?
Peel the hole right off the dollar. EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to the 6-year anniversary of How to Magic. Oh, magic! Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra, and today, 6 years ago, I posted the very first episode of How to Magic. Welcome to the very first episode of my How to Magic series. Crazy, it was 6 years ago, and I thought this was just going to be a 10-part series. It's going to be a 10-episode series. If it ends up being successful, I might do another season of it. When we started this journey, I never thought we would come this far. I never thought it would be 6 years of doing this show. Thanks to this show, we've literally been all around the world.
I've traveled every road in this here land.
London, England, Sydney, Australia, San Juan, Grand Canyon, Dubai,
Playlist Live DC,
Paris, France, Bahamas, the Great Wall of China, Italy, Orlando, Florida, Cairo, Egypt, St. Thomas, baby, U.S. Virgin Islands. We're in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's on the streets of New York City. We're in Turks and Caicos. Today we're here in Los Angeles, here in Jordan, and we've performed way more magic tricks than I've ever dreamed. The support from you all has been absolutely amazing. We're now approaching 300 episodes of the show. It was supposed to be 10. Woo! In addition to that, we also got to work with some amazing people over the years. And you guys have been here with me through the good times, through the bad times, through the ups and downs of this show. We didn't always get it right, definitely made some mistakes along the way, but we always made an effort to entertain and bring some magic into your life. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you how to do 6 mind-blowing magic tricks. Let's go. Okay, Ava, I have a really cool card trick to show you. Pick any card you want.
Okay.
Okay, take a look, show it to the camera. I'll look away. All right, and put it back in the deck anywhere you want.
Okay, face down.
Yes. Okay, perfect. Now you remember the card?
Yes.
Okay, keep it locked in your mind. I'm gonna take these cards and put them away, and I don't know what your card is, but I'm actually going to call someone and have them try to read your mind over the phone. Okay, ready? So keep the card in your mind. Hey. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, so, yeah, you're ready? Okay, I'm gonna put you on speakerphone. So, go ahead, what was our card?
4 of hearts.
What was it?
A 4 of hearts.
Yes.
Yeah, that was it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is wrong with you? What is that?
Isn't that crazy? Huh?
Just a random person that you called up to read someone's mind?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to get someone else with this.
The beauty of this card trick is all you need to do it is a deck of cards and a friend that you can call. It's a free choice, so you can have them choose any card they want. You don't have to force the playing card on them or anything like that. They choose a random card. Now, the key to this trick takes place before you ever perform it for anyone. You need to get in touch with your friend and establish a secret code. Here is my secret code that I follow with my friends. So I establish this with a certain friend that I know I'm gonna call and perform the trick with, and here's our code. If I say hey when he answers the phone, that means it's hearts. So I already know the card that the person's picked at the time that we make the phone call, so I relay the information of what card it is to them through a secret code in the way that I'm speaking. So if I say hey, they instantly know that it's hearts. They both start with HE, so it's easy to remember. Hi for diamond. Hi and die kind of rhyme, so again, easy to remember. If I say hi, they know it's a diamond. That brings us to what's up. If I say what's up instead of hey or hi, they know it's spade. I kind of remember this one because a spade is kind of pointing up. So what's up, the spade is up. So if I say what's up, they know it's spades. And lastly, if I just say hello, they know it's clubs. I kind of remember that one because there's 2 L's in hello, and club kind of has an L sound in the beginning with the clubs. They know if I say hello, that it's a club. So now that brings us to how do you know what suit it is? As soon as I say hey, hi, what's up, or hello, they immediately know what suit it is, and now they start naming off cards. So as soon as you establish what the suit is of the card, the person on the phone is going to immediately start naming off cards in order. Starting at the ace, they'll say ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7. And they'll keep going down the list until you just say, yeah, as if you're responding to a question they just asked. That lets the person on the phone know exactly what card it is, the number, and suit. Once you've now established the number and the suit with the person on the phone, you can then put it on speaker and they will reveal the name of the card. So establish the code with a friend, pull out your deck of cards and a phone, and try it out at home. Okay, this is the magic hole in the dollar trick. You can see my finger go right through this dollar bill. And you can see the hole is going all the way through the bill, just like that. Now watch, all we do is turn it over and I can actually just rub the hole a little bit. Now watch, I can actually peel the hole right off the dollar. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'm gonna teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here's how you set it up. You need 2 dollar bills and you're going to have to cut a hole in one of them. But first things first, you're going to need some rubber cement, some black electrical tape, and a pair of scissors. Now your first step's gonna be to line up the 2 bills like this and then fold them in half together and crease them. Now we're going to take some rubber cement and join them together. And you wanna leave this side unglued so that it creates this kind of flap like this. Now we're going to cut a piece of electrical tape about this big and we're going to put it on the front of the bill right here, just like this. And we're gonna cut a hole exactly the same size as this square right here on this bill. Now you wanna make sure when you perform this, it's over a black background. The black background is key because once you have this piece removed, you want that black hole in the bill to look pretty much identical to that, the black piece of tape that you have on the front. So what we do here is we show the back side of the bill. You can even put your finger through the hole right here, show that there is clearly a hole through that bill. The spectator can even put their finger through the hole. You can even show just like this. And then what you're gonna do is flip the bill over, and when you flip it over, you're going to fold that flap down like this, so that now this is hidden behind our front flap of the bill. And now it looks like we just flipped the bill over, but now all you do is take this, get underneath this corner right here, and just peel off the hole. It looks like something out of a cartoon, like when Bugs Bunny just peels the hole off the street. Really easy to do. Once you set this up, you just stick the tape back in place and you're good to reset the trick and do it again. Okay, Ava, I have a really cool trick to show you with this bottle of water and this ping pong ball. Check out the ping pong ball. Inspect it, make sure it's a normal ping pong ball.
Yep.
All right, so look, I have the water right here. Normal ping pong ball, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Watch, I'm gonna take the bottle of water and you can see that's real water, yeah? Yeah. Watch, I hold the ping pong ball like this, and look, if I turn this upside down, what do you think's gonna happen? All the water will fall out, right? But yeah. Look, if I let go, ping pong ball stays on the bottle just like that. Isn't that crazy? Uh-huh. Look, you can turn it up right, take the ball.
Oh my gosh. How did you do that? Because it wouldn't water spill if you tipped it over. Here, try it.
Yeah. Hold the bottle. This is easy and pretty much self-working. All you need is a ping pong ball and a bottle of Gatorade. This specific bottle design just fits the ping pong ball perfectly. You want to fill it all the way to the top with water. You want it all the way filled to the very top, just like that. Because what's actually happening here is when the water is displaced by the ping pong ball, it's going to create a little vacuum in the bottle to where when you flip this over, the ball will just perfectly stick on the bottle, and it looks like it is just defying gravity, because it is. So the bottle can be completely inverted like this, and the ping pong ball will just stick in place thanks to the vacuum that has been created inside the bottle. The suction that is created is stronger than the force of gravity pulling down on the ping pong ball. Okay, Ava, I have a really cool pencil trick to show you. So I have a pencil here, and also have my pencil case. Very fancy pencil, so I keep it in this nice case. If you would, inspect the pencil case, make sure it's normal. And I'm just gonna write a word here on the paper just to show you that it is indeed a real pencil. Yes, the word wow. So do me a favor, take the cap off the pencil case. It is indeed a normal pencil case. Nothing tricky about it. So look, I take the pencil. Yep. I'm going to take the pencil and slide it into the pencil case. You can see it going inside, yes? Yes. All right, do me a favor. Hand me the cap to the pencil case. Look, we take it and we put the cap on just like this, right? Now look, all I have to do is shake it a little bit and blow. Look, I remove the cap, hold out your hand. Just like this. Look. Turn into a red pencil you can step with.
Where did it go? Robert pencil. Where did it keep getting all these?
Okay, here is the secret of the Magic Wonder Pencil trick. This is actually not a regular pencil. It has another pencil hidden inside. It's a hollow shell of a pencil, and this pencil will fit perfectly inside it. And this tube is designed to where the shell of this pencil fits inside it perfectly to where it completely disappeared. And now all you have to do is tilt it back this way, and the little pencil falls right out. You can even hand this out to the audience to inspect, and they will not find the shell pencil hidden inside. The only way to remove it is with this special tool. The lead on the shell actually retracts inside the pencil when you push it into the tube. You can push it back out like that. So the shell pencil is equipped with an actual pencil lead if you want to write with it for your performance, and you put it inside the tube, put the cap on just like this, give it a shake or wave over it with your magic wand, open it up, and it has changed into a little red pencil. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win the Magic Wonder Pencil. For this trick, you're going to take a mint and you're going to put it in your mouth. Watch. Okay, this one is really cool and really easy to do. You can do this at home, and all you need are some of these Wint-O-Green Lifesavers. They have to be Lifesavers brand, and they have to be the Wint-O-Green ones because the wintergreen oil in these is actually what causes them to spark. It has to be pretty dark in the room. The wintergreen oil absorbs ultraviolet light, and it will emit sparks of fluorescent visible blue light when you crunch it. Okay, this is the magic pencil through the hand illusion. Oh man, it looks so realistic, but this is actually a magic trick. This is not real. There's not actually a pencil going through my hand. Really easy to do. This is what we're going to create. I'm going to show you how to make this at home. Here's what you need to pull off the pencil through the hand trick. So you only need a pencil, a paper clip, and some hot glue. Here's how you're going to set this up. Your first step is to cut the pencil in half. Boom, and once you have the pencil cut in half, you are then going to take the paper clip and you're going to bend it into shape. We want to unfold the paper clip just like this. So I'm going to kind of bend the paper clip around my hand like this. So now we have our paper clip bent like this. We're going to hot glue it in place on the ends of the pencil just like so. So this is what you want to end up with right here. This is your pencil through the hand prop. You can keep this and use it over and over again for performances. This is an EvanEra original, a trick we came up with just for this video. It's kind of a variation on the old arrow through the head Halloween costume. Just going to slide it in place on your hand just like this. And now from the other side, it really creates a convincing illusion that you have a pencil sticking right through your hand. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for 6 years of magic here on YouTube. It's been an amazing journey to say the least. This next season of How To Magic is going to be the best one yet. Stay tuned. Please leave a thumbs up on the video. Let me know you're there. Let's try to get 6 thumbs up on this video since it's the 6-year anniversary. I think we can get 6 thumbs up, maybe 60, 600. Shoot for 600 million likes. And it is giveaway time. I'm doing a giveaway on this video like every episode of How To Magic. So if you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm giving away 6 mystery items from EvanEraTV.com. That is our online magic shop. Check out the link in the description. Giving away 6 items to 6 lucky comments. I'm also giving away the Wonder Pencil. All you have to do to win, leave a comment in the comment section down below and hit the thumbs up on the video. Time to announce the giveaway winners from the last How To Magic video. The winners are appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. We do a giveaway like this every single week on How To Magic. Again, thank you for celebrating 6 years of the show with us. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.